Check out the aluminum fender of this Audi Q7. How was it repaired? Since this fender is made of aluminum, not very easy to shape, so we need heat to shape. Now take this blade and simply attach it. Fix so. You see how big and small the gaps are on this fender. We need to repair this gap evenly. That's the reason why this fender needs to be connected. If you don't connect this fender, wait a minute when you pull this blade forward. This fender will tear. The approximate shape of the blade has been fixed. We just need to solder it on. If you like watching car repair videos, welcome to subscribe to my channel. I will update and repair the accident car. The video of repairing the water cart. Thank you.